Today, I'm going to show you how to edit photos to get amazing results all on your smartphone. And we're going to do this using my new Moody Lightroom preset, which you can find right now in the first link in the description below. In case you're new here, for the last week, I've been doing this series where I show you guys how to edit portraits and different types of photos in Lightroom using my Moody preset. It is a great preset that I've been using a lot, and I really want to show you guys how it works. And since my preset is also available for smartphone users, so you can use on Lightroom Mobile, I thought today I'd make this video to show you guys exactly how you can do that. So today we're gonna look at a few different photos and I'm gonna show you how to transform them using my Moody preset on your phone with Lightroom Mobile. Welcome back. My name is Samuel from New Photographs, and on this channel I create photography content. If that's what you're into, please subscribe to my channel and like this video so you don't miss any new content. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. We're really close. I really think we can do it. So if you subscribe to my channel, that is one subscriber closer to my goal. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching my videos. And with no further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here I am in Lightroom Mobile. I have this portrait set up here, and that's the first one we're going to start with today. So first things first, before I even apply the preset, I'm going to go right here to the crop, and I'm going to fix the framing a bit. Now, I like to have the eyes be on the third horizontal line, so I'm just gonna fix that like this. Perfect. This looks good. I'm going to select OK. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here to preset. Now, once you download my Moody preset, all you have to do is go up here where you have the three little dots. You click on that, and then you click on import preset. And then all you have to do is to find the preset, tap on it, and it'll automatically be imported into Lightroom. Once you do this, you will see that there is a new folder created called Newman Photographs. You click on this folder, and there is the Moody preset. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap it, and I'm gonna apply it to the photo. Okay, so now we have applied the Moody preset. Now there is some adjustments that we're gonna have to do, but if you just hold on the screen, it can give you a before and after of the preset. So before the preset and after the preset, so you can see what it's doing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is click OK. I'm gonna go here to edit. I'm gonna go on lights. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust some settings. I'm gonna raise the shadows a bit, just like that. I'm gonna go to color and I'm going to tweak the white balance. Now on the day of the shoot, I did mess up my white balance a little bit. So I'm just going to drag it up a little bit like this. That is perfect. All right, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some masks. So what we're going to do is we're going to brighten the face, and then we're going to darken everything around that. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to click on the plus here, and then I'm going to go on radial gradient. Perfect. Now I'm going to create a circle, right? I'm just going to click on the image, and it's going to create a circle. You can create it to the size that you want. I just want it to cover the face, so I'm gonna do it like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on lights, and again I'm gonna raise the exposure just like this. Perfect. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to duplicate and invert the mask to do the exact opposite effect. So I'm gonna hold on the mask that we've created, and then I'm gonna select duplicate and invert mask. So it's gonna do exactly that. It's going to duplicate and invert the mask. Then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go on lights, and then I'm going to decrease the exposure. So we're doing the exact opposite that we did with the previous mask. Decrease the exposure, and I'm also going to decrease the blacks. Now I'm going to click OK. And this is it. Now, as you can see, this took like 5 minutes to do. All we had to do is apply the Moody preset and create a couple of masks. Because the way the Moody preset is set up, it already takes care of all of the settings for you. All you have to do is go in and make some small adjustment, as I did, right? I just had to raise the shadows a little bit. I might even, just lower the whites. You can even lower the highlights if you want, maybe change the exposure a bit. Again, you're free to do it however you please. But just as long as you don't just apply the preset and call it a day, right? Go in and tweak some settings, make sure that it fits in your photo. Perfect. So again, if you hold on the screen, it shows you all before, and if you let go, it shows you the after. So this is before the preset, and this is after the Moody preset. Again, guys, if you want to use this preset, it really is great, and you can use it just on your phone. Use the first link in the description below where you can get it. It is amazing. All right, so moving on to the next photo, we have this one right here, which is just a photo I took in the city of Rennes in France during the night. So there you go, we have some nighttime street photography, and let's see how the preset works on an image like this. So first things first, I'm gonna go down to the preset, and human photographs, and I'm gonna apply it right here. Perfect. Ooh, guys, look at this. As you can see, if I select OK, the image is really just transformed, right? Again, if you hold down on the image, it'll show you the before, and if you let go, it'll show you the after. So before, after, and as you can see, it really is taking this image and making it so moody. But we can always do some adjustments. Again, don't just apply the preset and call it a day, right? Even though that's kind of what I want to do. It looks so good that I kind of just want to leave it like this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some minor effects to it, right? Nothing too big. I'm just going to go to the masks. I'm going to apply a radial gradient here, and then I'm going to create a mask around the light. Perfect, right here. Then I'm going to hold down on the mask and click on invert mask. Perfect. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on lights, and I'm going to decrease the exposure a little bit, and I'm going to decrease the blacks. Perfect. And then if I go on lights, I'm going to raise the shadows to bring back some details. Perfect. And we've completely transformed the photo. This is the before, and this is the after. And guys, this only took me like 2 minutes to do. And by the way, if you want to export your photos, one of the ways that you can do this in Lightroom Mobile is to click right here on the 3 points. You click there and you click on Save, Copy to Device. Last but not least, let's do this photo, which is another street photography photos, but this time it was taken during the day. So again, first things first, I'm gonna go here to presets, human photographs, and I'm gonna apply the moody preset. And as you can see, it is already transforming the photo and making it a lot more moody. If we do a quick before and after, you can really see that. You could, if you want, stop here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to lower the highlights a bit to bring back some details. I might even lower the whites. I'm gonna raise the shadows, something like this. And then I'm gonna create a little mask in the middle like that. Drag it up here. Perfect. I'm going to invert it by clicking on this button here. Then I'm going to go to light and I'm going to decrease the exposure. And this is going to darken everything but the middle of the frame, which is where the light is coming from. Perfect. Just select OK. And boom, there we have it. We've edited this photo in like a minute using the Moody preset. If I go before and after, you can really see how transformed this image has become. So there you have it. This is my Moody preset used on Lightroom Mobile, right? So if you don't have a computer and you edit your photos on Lightroom, right? It can even be selfies or, photos you've taken on vacation, whatever it is. The Moody preset works great for photos like this as well. And since it is also available on mobile, you can get it using the first link in the description below. Now, if you post your photos using this preset on Instagram, make sure to tag me in it so that I can see what you guys are creating. If you want to see more about this preset, you can watch this video here where I go into greater details about it. And you can also click here to subscribe to my channel. Now, I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. We're really close and we can definitely hit it soon. So if you subscribe to my channel, that is 1 subscriber closer to my goal. So thank you so much for your support. Again, you can get the Lightroom preset today using the first link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative, keep creating. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.